the kind of reach that songs have in India. See, I mean, India is a dance and song country. You know, that's
Yeah.
it's in our culture, and songs are revered in India, and we cannot live without it.
And because I've shot there, I just know that आप phone कहीं भी घुमा लो, it's like a picture perfect.
Yeah.
Thing. Like it's
Yeah.
just too beautiful.
Hello everyone, you're watching peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani, and today welcoming Sunny Kaushal and Sayami Kher, who have recently, of course, impressed and wowed all of us with their song Dil Lauta
That
Do.
is so sweet.
Hi Sunny, hi Sayami,
Hi,
how have you
we
been?
have been great. How have you been?
Great, great. In fact, just watched your song yesterday when it released. I filed it, in fact, and loved the vibe of it. It is a romantic song, but at the same time, it has this heartbreaking vibe and tone attached to it, which I really liked. So, what attracted you to the most to, work in this song?
Sami, I think you should go first. Always ladies
Okay.
first. So
Hi, how are you?
Okay,
Thank you
Sayami,
for
go
having us
first.
over, firstly. So for me, actually,
You're
the
most
first time
welcome.
I heard this song, there have been a few things that have come my way where I've been wanting to collaborate with T-Series, and it just didn't end up happening. And I felt this song immediately resonated. It just like I heard it on loop a few times. So it was just a song it was so painful. It was just beautiful. And then of course the cherry on the cake was that they told me we are going to shoot in Ladakh. That's
Yeah,
one of the most favorite places in the world for me. So that was the cherry on the cake.
fantastic.
how
Sunny, what
cool.
about you?
Me, I think it was having already collaborated with the T series. I knew how they worked, and
Yeah.
I knew the kind of songs that they, invested in. And when I heard Dil Lauta Do, I was like, Sayami said, I was actually floored, and I was like, man, this has some pain. Although I've not been through
Yeah.
this, I can feel this. Yeah, you, you know.
Okay.
So that was the thing, and yeah, and then obviously Leh Ladakh ka lalach tha. But no, just the song was really beautiful, and re-collaborating with T Series was also an added factor. So yeah.
I'm sure. And as you have already mentioned, Leh Ladakh, that was actually my second question, that how location plays a very beautiful part when you're presenting a song or a movie. And I was going through YouTube comments. So a lot of people appreciated the song, your chemistry or pairing, but also the location it was shot at. So how was your, time shooting at Leh?
Sunny, you go first now. Alternate.
Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
let's do alternate.
Yeah, my time shooting in Leh was amazing because it was my first time in Leh actually.
Okay.
I'd never been there. I always wanted to go there, and I love cold places, mountains, and nature, and everything. So, but unfortunately, I'd never been there. And when this opportunity came, पहले तो 2 दिन चले गए acclimatize करने में. And that's when the first 2 days I was like, where am I and why am I here? My head was splitting, and
Yeah.
I couldn't breathe properly. And but once your body and your mind and everything settles into it, it's such a joy ride. And I remember I had like a couple of days free in between, and I just booked a bike and I went into the mountains riding. And shooting in Leh was amazing. It's such a beautiful weather. The vibe is so correct. And when we were shooting, it was actually adding a lot. Just being there, and the breeze and the wind, the sun, the cold, everything was just adding properly to what we were shooting. So my experience was just amazing.
Great. Sayami, what about you?
For me, actually, it was a nostalgic trip down memories
Okay.
because I shot my first film, Mirza, in Ladakh.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So that was 5 years ago, and I spent like 2 months when we were shooting that film. So for me, like everything I did, I was just like, oh, and we did this here, we did that there. So I was just feeling so nostalgic when I went back. And because I've shot there, I just know that आप phone कहीं भी घुमा लो, it's like a picture perfect
Yeah.
thing. Like it's
Yeah.
just too beautiful. So I know that
Oh.
whatever you shoot there looks stunning, So, I mean, obviously not taking away anything from how good Sunny is looking in the song and how good everything else is, but that
Yeah.
place just makes everyone look so much better.
How
That's what
beautiful
I was
you are
trying to
looking as a bride.
Exactly. I didn't know we had to compliment each other. Sorry.
Okay, great. And you two paired up for the first time, but it didn't look like that in the song. It looked like a very natural, free-flowing chemistry. It almost looked effortless. Did you have to put any work into that, or it actually happened naturally?
So for
Seven, it's
me,
your turn.
actually, yeah, it was. I did, like you said, it felt very effortless because I met Sunny actually the one day that we were supposed to acclimatize, and we've actually never met before. So when you're working with a new actor, there's always this thing of, oh, I hope we'll get along. I hope, because that obviously translates in some way or the other. But I think we both just hit it off right away. And
Yeah.
once you're comfortable with each other, it's just like it shows, the comfort shows on screen as well. So I think that I'm glad that we managed to bring that out on screen, but it was like it just was a complete breeze working with him.
Yeah.
Amazing.
I think what broke the ice for us was that day we also had to rehearse for some dance bits, which are not, which some of it is in the song, not everything, but we rehearsed like for quite a lot of dance bits in it, like nice contemporary, soft, romantic dancing. I think that broke the ice, and she's just so professional, in everything that she does, that there is no awkwardness when you're working with Sayami. So I think that also adds to the whole comfort level of it. And yeah, like she said, we hit it off right off the bat. There was nothing, there was no, oh, hi, how are you? Oh, hi. There was nothing like that. We were
Great.
just talking like normal people with each other.
Nice. And I think that has come across beautifully in the song
Definitely.
as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Great. And do you also feel that songs and music videos these days have the power to make you connect with the audience in a better manner? Because I remember even some you have been a part of the song Taro Ke Sheher Mein,
Yes.
and it actually went on to become pretty big. People started making reels on it.
Yeah.
There are so many platforms people are starting to share songs and show their talent in it. Do you also feel that these are sort of helping now artists and actors get into a zone where they have better connectivity with the audience?
Oh, yes, definitely. I think the kind of reach that songs have in India. See, I mean, India is a dance and song country. That's it's in our culture, and songs are revered in India, and we cannot live without it. So it's only natural for the songs to have the kind of reach that they have. And T Series over the years, I mean, it's a legacy. It's built upon something which is much more solid than just making a song. It's got that connect with people all over the country. So yeah, it definitely helps everyone with the reach and connecting with people. There are so many messages that we get and DMs which are from cities and small towns and villages that you would normally not connect with. And like you said, the reel culture, posting videos on songs and everything is just I think increased it even more, the reach.
Agreed, completely. Yeah. Sayami, what about you?
No, just to add to that, he summed up very well that we are a sing and dance. That's our culture. That's where we come from. And for me, this is the first time I've done something like this. So I've come from work which has been very niche, be it like Chok or Mirza is a very, very niche audience. So like in one day, the response that I've got on social media, I'm just like, this is just like nonstop. It's just not stopping. And it's so overwhelming to see like so many people, and there's just so much talent. There've been people dancing, and there've been so many people singing the song, and it just opens your eyes to see that you live in this bubble, because there's a world which you have no clue about, and they're just so talented. So I mean, this song has definitely opened my eyes to see how much of a reach like music videos have.
Yeah.
Excellent. Also, Sayami, I remember last time when we spoke for Choked, you said that, now that I asked you that you have now proved your talent, and there are a lot of people appreciating you for the role. And you said that now I hope producers and makers see me in a more serious picture, and there are good roles coming your way. So, what is happening in that front? Do you feel that Choke sort of changed the game for you?
No, I mean, Touchwood it definitely did, and thankfully, producers and directors have offered me like a lot of meaty stuff, which I'm very excited about. But then COVID had other plans, so unfortunately, it had to all be kind of put on a pause just when I was ready to take off. But like that's how it is. So I'm hoping to. I'm starting on 2, 3 things, so I'm just keeping my fingers crossed that they take off soon.
Hopefully, sure. Okay.
All the best for 2-3 things that you're starting.
Hopefully to know it pretty soon. Okay. And, Sunny, earlier what used to happen is that web used to be seen as a second option or as something that actors conventionally won't go to. But we saw you, and you are a great example. So you made your debut, then you worked in a film, then you worked in The Forgotten Army, and it sort of blew off. So many people watched it, loved it, appreciated you. Do you feel now web is here to stay, and no matter what happens to cinema, of course cinemas will open up, but people will still turn to web whenever needed?
Most definitely. I think web is a medium which is so easily accessible to everyone, be it on their mobile phones, on their laptops, on their tablets, on their TVs, and it's just, and I think now everything is for web. You buy a TV, it's a smart TV, it's already got everything in it, all the apps and all the channels and everything in it. You buy a phone, you buy an internet connection, you buy a phone connection with any service provider, they give you a package with all these things. So I'm saying everything is now driven with that media and that thing in mind, that and especially in times like these, right now we don't, although yes, a 70mm is a 70mm, you go into the theaters, that's a different experience, you sit with your family, popcorn and everything, but this is a close second. And I would say this is saying it's a second is not the right word to use for it, because right now the kind of reach that web is having, and the kind of actors are blowing up, directors are blowing up, writers are blowing up, the kind of content that's coming on web, it's just fabulous. So I think it's here to stay and grow, not just stay.
I'm sure. Completely agreed with whatever you said. Great. Also, now lastly, I have this fun quiz. Since you have starred in this beautiful song, there are some more beautiful Bollywood songs that I digged out. Now these are the lyrics are in English. You have to guess which Hindi Bollywood song, pretty famous song. So
I had done this last time during Taro Ke Sheher, and I failed so bad.
So now it's going to be who's worse, because even I've done this and I'm miserable. So
okay, let's see who wins.
Okay, let's try. Okay.
Okay, great. So the first one is put a stone on my heart and put makeup on my face.
हाँ, दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुंह पे मेकअप कर लिया, दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुंह पे मेकअप, ना 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 सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया.
Correct. He got it so quickly. Nice.
He got it quickly, so he was underplaying the I was bad at this.
No, I wasn't underplaying. This is unique lyrics, no? This is. Nah.
Okay, great. The second one is the sun started to pale, the moon started to burn. What did the sky like?
Suraj Hua Madham.
Yes, correct.
Madham is pale or what? Shit.
Yeah.
I thought it would be sun started to
Madham
set.
is like toned down, pale.
Toned down, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay, now this one is very funny to even say, so I'll just go ahead. The mother-in-law abuses, the brother-in-law pacifies, the in-law's house is a marigold flower.
Hey, sasural genda fool.
Yeah. Oh my God.
You know how I guessed it?
The flower.
Marigold flower.
Marigold flower, yeah.
In-laws and marigold
yeah, because
flower.
It was so puzzling. Mother-in-law, brother-in-law.
It is.
What is this?
What is this?
Okay. So this one's a recent one. You have come naked. What in the hell will you take? Our time will come.
तू नंगा ही तो आया है क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा अपना टाइम आएगा.
Great. Okay. This one's took my heart by making 10 excuses.
10
दिल
बहाने
चुरा
करके
लिया.
ले गए
I'm
दिल.
literally, I'm
Yes.
translating
My
it like
God.
literally.
Yeah,
Yeah, literally
literally.
you're translating.
And I think Sunny got
Yeah.
pictures, and I think he has practiced it because he's
Yeah,
like
yeah,
giving
after-
giving answers like this.
Like this. He's
After
answering.
Yeah.
last time I have practiced a lot.
Oh, great. Okay. The next one is I see God in you. What do I do, my friend? What do I do, my friend?
तुझ
I see
में
God.
मेरा
रब
मेरा
दिखता
दिखता
है
है.
यारा मैं क्या Okay, this we got
Okay, so
together.
yeah,
got
together. Great. Okay.
Together.
Okay, this one's at first glance you did such magic. My heart is yours.
पहली नजर में जादू कर
पहली
दिया.
नजर में
Got it.
ऐसा जादू
Got
कर
it.
दिया. Listen, you have to sing it. You can't just say the
I
lyrics.
mean,
Yeah.
I'm just translating it. So by the time I translate it, you start singing it. Yeah.
Singing, yeah. Okay, it's fine. The next one is listen, take me shopping. Listen, show me a rom-com. Making so many requests. White wrists.
अरे this
I
is
got
चिट्टियां
white
कलाइयां में
Yeah.
ओ माही मेरी चिट्टियां कलाई.
Right.
I forgot
What
the
is the
start
cutting?
of the lyrics, how it
Yeah.
starts.
Manjave menu shopping le
Shopping
jave,
is
something like that.
correct,
Yeah.
correct.
So
Yeah.
how did you
Chittiyan
get
kalai.
that?
Because I loosely translated in my head and I was like, oh, this is
Yeah.
that song ka start. but I
White
didn't
wrist.
remember the
So
start.
like chittiya kalaiya. Yeah.
Hands down,
Okay.
hands down, winner.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
Okay, so this one's the last one. It is the bangles say it, the bracelets say it, that I have become yours. Without you, my heart gets lonely. I'm about
बोले
to die.
चूड़ियां बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गया.
Yeah,
Call
there's
me
a very
genius,
famous
guys.
meme on this song also in the
Really?
English translation. Yeah,
I haven't
take my
seen it, man.
bangles and all of that. Okay, great. So we all know who the winner is, but Sayami, I have prepared you for the next time you do
Next
this.
time, next time.
Okay,
I realized the
great.
last
Thank
time you
so
have to
much.
go through this humiliation to be better.
Yeah, see now, Sunny, you saw how he practiced and how he
Yeah,
got
yeah.
here.
Ah,
He's a pro.
Won
Now
all-
he's a pro.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
a pro.
thanks,
Now
guys.
we need
Thanks.
we need to work together again and see who wins. Only
Yeah,
so we know who
maybe
wins.
maybe
to
we
work
get
together
like
again.
we get like a part 2 of the song, not the same storyline but something else. So yeah.
Okay, all the best with that, guys.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Sunny and Sayami. It was a pleasure chatting with you too.
Thank
All
you
the
so
very
much. It
best.
was a pleasure.
Thank
you so much.
Bye bye. Take care.
See you. Thank you.
You too.
You.